In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify support by phone. First, open the Shopify Help Center. This is the official resource that explains every way you can reach Shopify, including phone support when it's available. Once you're on the page, look for the Contents menu. It's usually at the top or along the side, and it lets you jump straight to the exact section you need instead of scrolling. From the Contents, choose How to Contact Shopify Support. This section lays out the different support channels and helps you understand which one applies to you. As you read, you'll see a note about customer-facing support for the Shop app. That's for shoppers who use the Shop app to browse, track orders, or manage payments. If you're a shopper, head to the Shop Help Center from there. If you're a merchant managing a Shopify store, continue in the Shopify Help Center. Back in the Contents, open Contacting Shopify Support. This part explains what contact options you'll see and how Shopify routes you based on your issue. Keep the Contents panel handy because we'll use it again to jump to the key details about phone support. Next, select Shopify support options by plan type. Then open the section that says, Your support options depend on your Shopify plan. This is the crucial piece if you're trying to call. Here's what you'll find. For all plans, live chat is available 24/7. For Shopify Plus plans only, you have phone support, email support, and chat. And for retail, which covers point-of-sale merchants, you also have phone support, email support, and chat. That means phone support is specifically available to Shopify Plus and retail. If you're on another plan, chat will be your around-the-clock option. If you're eligible for phone support, the Help Center will guide you to it directly on that page. Typically, when you're signed in and your plan includes phone, you'll see the phone option appear alongside chat and email, or you'll be prompted to request a call. If you don't see phone as an option, return to the Plan Type section to confirm your eligibility. A couple of quick tips to make the call go smoothly. Have your store URL ready, a clear summary of the issue, and any recent changes or error messages handy. If your plan doesn't include phone support, start a 24/7 chat from the same Help Center page. The advisor can escalate as needed. That's it. Go to the Help Center, use the Contents to reach How to Contact Shopify Support, confirm your plan's options, and select phone